future dreams and neon lights. Digital heartbreak feels so right. Rich emotions pixelate soul, losing control but staying whole. True love to spring divide, authenticity we can't hide. Generations need prophecy, we're writing all reality. We're not different, we're not special. Breaking codes, going mental. AI future, human present, every moment legendary, legendary. Angelito flying high, last love, vocal drop, $1 million baby, reaching for the sky. VTM energy, we never gotta die. Pepper.crummy, culture unifying. Started from the bottom, now we're trending global. Every heart breaks symphonic, every win iconic. Solitaire mindset, but we're never alone. Cameron door pathway, claiming every throne. Sometimes I feel lost in translation, between my dreams and destination. But every scar tells a story we're sharing. Every fall builds wings for flying. Beautiful things come from broken souls. Think of this carrying impossible goals. We're the main characters of our time, turning pain into paradigms. Future legends in the making. Every limit we're breaking. This is just the beginning. Every moment legendary, legendary, legendary. Angelito flying high. Every moment legendary, legendary, legendary. And not different, we're not special. Breaking codes, going mental. AI future, human presence, every moment legendary, legendary. Angelito flying high. Just out, vocal jump, $1 million baby, reaching for the sky. Team energy, we never gotta die. Culture unified. Angelito flying high. Last out, vocal jump, $1 million baby, reaching for the sky. VTM energy, we never gotta die. Culture unified. Sometimes I feel lost in translation, between my dreams, symphonic, everywhere iconic. Solitaire mindset, but we're never alone. Human door pathway, claiming every throne. Sometimes I feel lost in translation, between my dreams and destination. But every scar tells a story we're sharing. Every fall builds wings for flying. Beautiful things come from broken souls. Paper planes carrying impossible goals. We're the main characters of our time, turning pain into paradigms. Future legends in the making.